Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about assigning a value to a variable, input function and a little extra in print function. Let us start with assigning value to a variable. So let us assume a is a variable. To assign value to that variable, we will have to use equal to as an operator and then give a value. Let us assume we are giving 5 here. So on executing this, the value of 5 will go and get stored in A. So wherever we use A after this in this program, whenever we are using A, the system will think it as 5. So let us try. So see, A is equal to 5 is executed. If you go to a variable explorer here, you can see the name of the variable is A, type of the variable is int, size is 1 and the value is 5. So this is how we will assign the values. And next, coming to the input. Input is a function which should be assigned to a variable. This input function will ask the user to enter some value from the IPython console. So we will create a message, enter a number. So let us run this. So see here, IPython console is asking us to enter a number. We will enter a number here. Remember, earlier A is having a value of 5. We are entering a number here and we are storing it in A. And I clicked on enter. Look at this. A in output of input function is stored in A. That means the 10 is stored in A. Variable name is A. The value is 10. But look at the type here. It is converted to string. So if you want to use this value as a number, you will have to parse this into the integer. Since this is not the platform, we will do it in some other place, or we can do it here also. So to parse it to int, let us create int function around the input function. So let's enter here. Now I am typing 15. So now look at the output here. Variable name is A, value is 15, but the type has become integer because we added a function here to convert the output of this input function to integer. Okay. Now we will create a small program with this. Let us assume there is one more variable here, that is x is equal to a. Now create one more variable y, which is equal to integer of a comma a. Let me explain this. So here a is our variable, initial variable, which has some 15 in its value. Now what it is going to do is, here we are creating a string with substring. This is one substring and this is one substring. What should happen in this substring is a. What should happen in this substring is put a value a. So the y will become, if a is 5, the y will become 5, 55 as a string, and since we kept an integer function, it will convert to 55. Now let us print, let us check whether y is working or not. X plus y. So now we will run all these lines of code. Now console is asking me to enter a number. I will enter 3. If I enter 3, x will become 3, y will become 3, 3, and it will get converted to integer 33. So the output should be 3 plus 33, which is 36. Right, 36. Look at here. X variable, y variable. X variable is same as a, y variable is a and a. 3 and 3, 33. Alright, thank you.